Apaan tuh?
Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
LOL.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
안녕.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb,
Nice try.
Hello, guys.
lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Apaan tuh?
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Mary had
Hello,
a
guys.
little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
안녕.
It
Apaan tuh?
followed to school
LOL.
one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and
LOL.
play, laugh and play,
Oh my God.
It made the children laugh and
Oh, no.
play to see a lamb.
Okay.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so?
Nice try.
Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Apaan tuh?
Mary had a little lamb, little
Apaan tuh?
lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Yummy, yummy.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Hello,
Mary
guys.
had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Oh my God.
Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb
Okay.
to go. It
Apaan tuh?
followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made
Aguando.
Turned it up, and so the teacher turned it up, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so.
Nice
Mary
try.
So. Why
Hello,
does
guys.
the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. Lamb, you know. Lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Mwah. Mwah.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Hello, guys. Hello, guys.
Yummy, yummy.
안녕.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary
Aguando.
had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went,
Yummy, yummy.
Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Hello, guys.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh.
Okay.
Laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Aguando.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Nice try.
Why does
Hello,
the
guys.
love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cry. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. Lamb, you know. Lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little
Hello,
lamb.
guys.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
안녕.
Aguando.
그르그르. 오 마이 갓.
Oh no!
Okay.
Nice try. Aguando.
Yummy, yummy.
안녕.
Oh!
Oh no. Uh-oh.